Welcome to Unlocking Your Spine Back to Perfect Alignment. Today we're going to look at the importance of good posture and how you can achieve a healthy and balanced spine. Our bodies are designed to be flexible and adaptable, but with the stress of everyday life, our spine can misalign. This can lead to a number of problems such as chronic pain, nerve compression, and even long-term joint damage. The first step to unblocking your spine is to recognize the habits that are holding you back. They can include poor posture, excessive sitting or lying, and repetitive lifting or twisting. By addressing these issues, you can begin to re-establish a healthy balance in your body. Once you've identified the areas that need attention, we'll discuss different methods to help you achieve proper alignment. This can include techniques such as yoga, tai chi, and deep stretching to help strengthen your core muscles and improve your posture. In addition to these procedures, we'll also cover basic self-care tips to help you maintain your newfound alignment. This can include proper nutrition, regular exercise, and stress management techniques to ensure your spine remains in optimal condition. So are you ready to unlock your spine and return to perfect alignment? Let's start this journey together and create a healthier and more balanced self. Remember that good posture starts with self-awareness and taking responsibility for your own well-being. Thanks for joining me on this quest to unlock the spine, and let's get started.